Hey, hi dear friends, Vivian here from Craft Coast Designs, and today's tutorial is to show you how to finalize the Easter garland. And I do have here already my eggs, I have my carrots, and I also have my bunnies, and I made 3 of each one of them. I have 3 of each one, but you can make as much as you want to, and you can also, before you go ahead and attach them together, you can try and organize them in a sequence as you would like them to be. So I would just do like this, and let me see right here, and that's it. This is how I want to attach all of them, and this is how they will look like when I hang them. So let's start with a slip knot. So let's go ahead and start with 35 chains. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have completed my chain 35. So now I'm going to start attaching the items on the garland. And the first thing that I'm going to attach is the bunny. And I'm going to slip stitch on the top of both ears. So right here, I'll come here on the top of the first one and insert the hook on the very top, like on the tip of it, and slip stitch. Now between the ears, we are going to make 8 chains. So chain 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now to make sure you are slip stitching on the exact correct place, go ahead and lay down your bunny flat and just straight that chain 8 and see where it will match with the ear, the left ear, and just go ahead and slip stitch right here where they meet each other. So go ahead, so I'm going to slip stitch right here. Now go ahead and chain 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Now the second item that I'm going to attach is 1 egg, and I'm going on this very, like in the very top stitch, and insert the hook and slip stitch right here. Chain 9 again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And the next thing that I'm going to attach is the carrot. And I just want to remind you that this is the stitch count that I came up with, and I think that it will be nice when you hang this, but you can add stitches or take off stitches as much as you'd like to, and you can also make as many bunnies, eggs, and carrots that you'd like to. So I just decided to do a small one because I do have a small furniture that I want to hang it on, but you can go ahead and make it as longer as you would like to. So for the carrot, I am just going ahead and slip stitch only in this middle leaf right here. So you don't need to attach in all 3 of those. Just go ahead and attach on the very, like on the middle one, on the very top of it. So slip stitch, and then we should be all right. So go ahead and chain 9 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And I'm going back to my first item, which is the bunny, and we will do the same thing that we did with the first one. Slip stitch on the top of the very first ear. Between the ears, go ahead and chain 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, sorry, just 8, and lay down flat and see where the stitches will match. In this case will be right here, so go ahead and slip stitch right there. Now chain 9 again, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and I'm going ahead and I will slip stitch on the top of the second egg. And it has no secret. You are going to chain 9 between the carrots and eggs and bunnies and slip stitch on the top of each item. For the bunny, make sure to slip stitch on both ears and make 8 stitches between them, so you will not be like making them too close or won't be too loose, so it will be just the same size between them. And you can go ahead and keep doing the same thing until you attach all the items that you have on the sequence that you would like to. And the only thing is that once you finish attaching the very last item, make another chain of 35 so you will have enough room to tie it up in any place that you would like to. And that's it. If you are interested on this pattern, I'm going to leave the link down below to my Etsy store. You can get it there. And if you do, and if you by any chance make one of those, I would love to see your project. Make sure to tag me on my Instagram. It's Craft Codes Designs. And I'll see you guys on the next tutorial. Bye.